Hey friends, it's Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious one-pan seared pork chops and veggies. This is such a delicious way to make pork chops. You guys will love it. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're using 2 center-cut bone-in pork chops. These are about 2 inches thick. We're going to start by seasoning them very generously with salt and black pepper. We're also seasoning them with some Italian seasoning. Pat the seasoning into the meat, then turn them over and season the other side as well. Once the pork chops are very well seasoned, go ahead and set them aside for later. Next, we're going to heat up some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. While the oil is heating up, we're going to cut up some panchetta. If you don't have panchetta, you can use bacon. Add the cut up panchetta into the hot oil, then cook until all the fat is rendered and it has turned golden brown, just like this. Next, you're going to place a paper towel over a plate, transfer the cooked pancetta onto it, then set aside for later. The pancetta has released really good flavor into the oil, and we're going to use the flavored oil to sear the pork chops. Place them into the pan. We're going to sear the pork chops for 3 minutes on one side, then turn them over and sear them for another 3 minutes on the other side. We want them to develop this beautiful golden brown color on both sides. When they're done searing, take them out of the pan, then set them aside for later. Keep in mind that these aren't fully cooked yet. Next, turn the heat down to medium, then add some butter to the pan. While the butter is melting, we're going to cut up some scallions. I'm just slicing, then cutting each bunch into 2. Add the scallions to the melted butter, toss them around, then cook them for about 3 minutes on medium heat until they turn golden, just like this. We're going to add some crushed garlic. Saute the garlic and scallions together for about 30 seconds. The aroma of garlic and scallions cooking together is delicious. Next, pour in some chicken broth, and then we're going to add some sugar snap peas. Season the veggies with a little bit of salt and black pepper to taste, then mix everything together. Next, you're going to turn the heat down to low, add the seared pork chops, nestle them into the veggies, place the lid on, then let the pork chops finish cooking with the veggies for 8 minutes on low heat. Okay, guys? After 8 minutes of cooking, we're going to squeeze the juice from half a lemon all over the pork chops and vegetables. Next, we're going to add the cooked pancetta, sprinkle that all over. Then we're going to finish with some freshly chopped chives for some fresh flavor. This is the finished meal. The aroma is so delicious. You can serve this over some sauteed rice or a baked sweet potato or with some twice baked potatoes. I served mine with some roasted red potatoes. They paired so well together. There's going to be some sauce left in the pan to serve over your meal. This is such a delicious way to enjoy pork chops. They came out so tender and juicy. The vegetables are very good. They soak up all the delicious juices and they get flavorful. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.